the driver stop and manually go out and pick up cardboard or other things. I know that's our recommendation, that's what we're hoping for. I just want to make sure that our residents understand that by doing certain things, some items may not be picked up.
So in most instances, the driver does have a tag that he will go out and pick up the material outside of the cart, leave the tag reminding the resident that all material must be in the cart for their next pickup. But in other cases, I don't want to say that happens all the time, the driver may not pick up material outside of the cart. And if that is the case, we recommend just keeping that until your next pickup and making sure it's inside the cart. If it's your cardboard containers or your cardboard boxes, they might need cut down a little more to get into the cart. So that might be an extra step to get them to fit in there.